Hi, I'm Roy from Roy Tiles, and I want to explain to you why I have decided to make my product with a sawtooth. Now, I made it specifically for you guys. Now, with the professional, he uses a square notch trowel. Now, the square notch is nice, but what happens is you have to lay the tile and then you've got to push backwards and forwards to break that notch down. Now, you'll notice when you see professionals laying tiles, they swirl. They come like this, 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 and therefore they're leaving a lot of air pockets where the air can't escape the glue. If you notice with here, I've got furrows all going in one direction. When you put that tile down, the air can come out of the end, and you're not having any air pockets in there to create a problem. Therefore, the glue that you're going to put underneath that tile is going to be quite even. Thanks for watching.